Hey, what's up? My name is Rudeboy. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Deceive. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learned from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So with that aside, let's kick off right after this. Is in the key of C sharp. I'm going to teach you how to play the song in two ways, one with a capo and the other version will be without. So without a capo, the progression is 6, 4, 5, 3. The 6 is A sharp minor chord. The 5 will be an F sharp major chord. The 4, this is 4, which is F sharp major chord, and then 5, which is G sharp major chord, and then finally the 3 is the F minor chord. F minor chord. So those are the chords that will comprise the whole song from the start to the end. So on how to hold these chords very fast, the A sharp minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar across the first fret, barring string 1 all the way to 5. My middle finger is on string number 2, second fret. My ring finger string number 4 on the 3rd fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 3rd fret. So that's A sharp minor chord. After that chord, you play the 4 chord, which is F sharp major chord. So I'm using this form of F sharp. So you can either play this, broken F bar chord, or you can play a full bar. So in this form, I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1 and 2. My middle finger, string 1 and 2 on the 2nd fret. Middle finger is on string number 3 on the 3rd fret. My ring finger string number 5 on the 4th fret, and my small finger string number 4 on the 4th fret too. Then my thumb is kinda muting the string number 6 there and 5. So you can either play a solo or you can just play a full bar chord. So every note will be the same, just the pointer finger will be now barring the whole fret. So if you slide 2 half steps up, you now be playing the G sharp major chord, where of course now you just count 2 frets above. 1, 1, 2. This is G sharp, and finally this other chord here, which is the F minor chord. So F minor chord, you can either play it from here, where you will use your ring finger on string number 4 on the 3rd fret, and your pointer finger will be barring string 1, 2, and 3 on the 1st fret. So you can either play it here or you can play it here. So if you play it here, your pointer finger of course will be on fret number 8, and then your middle finger will be on fret number 9 but on the 2nd string. Your ring finger fret 10 on the 4th string, and your small finger fret 10 on the 3rd string. So that's the minor chord there, F minor chord. So all together from start, A sharp minor chord, F sharp major, G sharp, so now with a capo, you will of course fret your first fret And then of course if you fret your first fret with a couple, you can play as if you're playing in the key of C, since the song is in the key of C sharp. So the 6 will be an A minor chord, then the 4 F sharp major, then G, and the E minor, and E minor. So A minor, F, G, E minor. So the A minor, you just hold the normal A minor, how you'd hold the A minor with your pointer finger, playing string number 2 on the first fret. Now the first fret of here, I am counting from where the couple is. So if I say first fret, then I just mean this fret here. So pointer finger on the first fret, string number 1, your middle finger playing string number 4 on the second fret, and your small finger playing string number 3 on the second fret. So A minor, then F. So F, I'm using my pointer finger to bar string 1 and 2. My middle finger is on string number 3 on the second fret. My ring finger string number 5 on the third fret, and my small finger string number 4 on the third fret, and then my thumb is, mute in there. So if you prefer the other bar chord form of F, well, as you can just play it as well. So F, then G. So G, my small finger is on string number 1 on the third fret. My middle finger is on string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger string number 6 on the third fret. So that's G, and then finally the E minor. So E minor, I'm using my middle and my ring finger, where my middle finger is on string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger is on string number 4, still second fret. So you can either, just play it from here. So all together. And well, that's how you will play that song. And if I wasn't clear anywhere, you can just let me know in the comment area, so that I can revise maybe where I wasn't as clear. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Leave a thumbs up, and let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.